Agile boards versus Scrum-specific tools, which one is better for engineering velocity? Software teams are constantly looking for ways to boost velocity, but which is more effective, generic Agile boards or Scrum-specific tools? Most people think any Kanban board will do, but the surprising truth is that Scrum-specific tools offer features that directly enhance engineering efficiency. Agile boards, like Trello or Jira Kanban boards, provide flexibility. Teams can visualize work, move tasks, and track progress easily. Are great for flow-based workflows or hybrid teams who don't strictly follow Scrum. For example, a development team can manage bug fixes and feature requests in one view, improving transparency. Scrum-specific tools, such as Jira Scrum boards or Azure DevOps, are designed around sprints, backlogs, and velocity tracking. They include story points, sprint planning, and burn-down charts. For instance, a Scrum Master can see team velocity trends over multiple sprints, identify bottlenecks, and adjust workload accordingly. The key difference is structure versus flexibility. Agile boards give teams visual task management and adaptability, while Scrum tools provide metrics and processes to measure and improve velocity. Using only a generic board may limit insights into sprint performance, while using only Scrum tools without flexibility may hinder ad hoc task management. In conclusion, engineering teams benefit from a hybrid approach. Use Scrum-specific tools for sprint planning and velocity tracking, and Agile boards for task-level visibility and ad hoc workflow management. This combination maximizes transparency, accountability, and efficiency, helping teams deliver faster and more predictably.